This is a demonstration of IGP Document Designer and how it works with IGP Flip to make custom book design with XML content easy. Here you can see the default 6x9 37 line Trademaster template design. We just click the document design icon, document design launches and sets itself up with the active book design. We're now just going to change the 6x9 book to 5x8. The changes are immediately reflected in the interface. The next job is to set up the margins. All measurements are in points. We set the left, right and top margins, and the bottom margin is computed automatically when we set the line height and the line count. Here we're making the line height 16 points, the font size 12. You can see the text flowing off the bottom of the page. We pull this back to 30. There's still not enough bottom margin. We'll adjust that to 29 lines and the page is looking okay. We're now going to just change the body font and we turn off the guidelines to have a look and see more or less what the page will look like in the final print output. Next we'll have a look at styling an interior section. We'll take the chapter title block in this example. First of all, we adjust the line height of the block. I've taken it from the default of 11 to 8. We can style all of the different components separately. Here you can see the general styling block. In this case, and just for the demonstration, I'm going to change this to a sans serif font. I'm going to make it a little bit larger. Make sure the line height is a multiple of the page line height. You can see the short delay here while the font loads from the server. We now save this back to the server. We close Document Designer and we are able to immediately click on the PDF icon, regenerate the PDF and see our changes. The book is now 5x8 with a 12/16 body text and a completely different font. Next we're going to have a look at design profiles. Design profiles allow you to put multiple PDF designs into one XML document. Here I'm creating a new profile. This time I'm going to make a large print version of the book. I just name the profile and next I say profile to document. So the previous design we just applied is now been tucked away and this is now the new profile. By default it goes back to our default profile. We click on Document Designer. It opens. In this case all we're going to do is change the font size to 16, the line height to 20 and put a sans serif font into the body for readability. And we'll just adjust the line count. And save this design back to the Flip server. We close that, click on the PDF icon and immediately we can see the document changes reflected in the output. We can switch between profiles at any time. Here we're going back to the default profile and modified to 5x8. We click PDF and immediately we can see our original design back again. That concludes this first demonstration of IGP Document Designer working with IGP Flip.